Looking to convert your tokens into credit points? Easy. Head over to gems.vip and click Connect Wallet at the top of the page. Don't forget, Credit Refund is only available to wallet addresses that have participated in previous private sales. Click on your connected wallet to reveal the drop-down menu. Then click the Credit Refund option at the bottom of the list. Here, you'll see a detailed list of all the refundable tokens in your possession. Choose the tokens you wish to refund and click Get a Refund. Carefully review the credit refund terms and conditions before entering your email address. Checking the confirmation box and clicking Continue. Enter the amount of tokens you wish to refund. Review the conversion under Credits You Will Receive and click Confirm. Complete the transaction in your connected wallet. Nicely done. Your tokens were successfully converted. Your credit points are now ready to be used and can be seen under Available Credits. Remember, credit refunds are only available to Gems Premium members.